Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix banner image adjustment on Shopify. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Shopify store using your user credentials. After you're logged in, you will see your Shopify dashboard. Click on the online store button under sales channel. That is the first step. After that, you will see the themes page. On your themes page, you'll have to click on the three-dotted icon after your current theme and select edit code. After you select edit code, you will see this edit code section. Here what you'll have to do is search for theme.liquid. So click on theme.liquid on this page. Now you will see this code. On this code, scroll to the bottom and you will see a code that will look something like this. Here what you're going to do is place your cursor at the end of this end if code line and hit enter. After you hit enter, you will see a new line appearing on your code. Now navigate to this site and copy this code. So I'm going to leave the link of this site in the description down below in this video. You can click on it and navigate to this site. Select all this code, right click and click on copy. Now navigate back to your theme editing section and paste the code in this line that is just above the body tag. So right click and click on paste. Now you will see the code getting pasted in this section. Now I'm going to tell you that this max width code that you're seeing is the percentage of the image banner size on your Shopify store. So if you change the max width size of the first code, you will basically change the image banner size of your Shopify store on PC. And if you change the max width size that is at the bottom of this code, you will change the image banner size of your Shopify store on mobile devices. So first of all, I'm going to change the first one. So I will remove this and type in something like 50%. Now after typing in 50% in the width of the first code, I will click on save, navigate back to my Shopify store. As you can see, this is the current size of my image banner size on my Shopify store. Now it looks something like this. I just decreased the size of my image banner on my Shopify store by 50%. If you want it to be something like 75%, you can remove the 50, type in 75 or 60% and click on the save option at the top. After you click on save, you'll have to navigate back to your Shopify store, refresh the page, and as you can see, I just increased the size of my image banner on my Shopify store. If you want to restore it to the normal, you'll have to basically remove these codes and click on the save button. After you click on save, you'll have to navigate back to your Shopify store, refresh the page, and as you can see, I just changed the image banner size on my Shopify store. So that's how you can change image banner size on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.